Total by Verizon relies on Verizon's network, but roaming is crucial for coverage outside Verizon's direct footprint. Roaming allows your phone to connect to other networks like AT&T or T-Mobile when Verizon isn't available. To enable roaming on Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then Roaming and toggle it on. On iOS, navigate to Settings, Cellular Data Options, then enable data roaming. Keep in mind that while essential for coverage, roaming can sometimes impact battery life. Ensure roaming is enabled if you're experiencing connectivity issues in areas with weak or no Verizon coverage. As of 2025, Verizon has expanded its 5G C-band coverage, improving roaming stability, but legacy 4G LTE roaming can still be problematic in certain areas. If enabling roaming doesn't solve the issue, check your APN settings. APN acts as a gateway for mobile data. Incorrect settings can block roaming. The correct APN for Total by Verizon is Total, APN Total, MCC 310, and MNC 410. Manually enter these in mobile network settings under access point names. Perform a carrier update to refresh network configurations. On iOS, automatic via Settings, General, About. On Android, Settings, System Update, Carrier Update. Total by Verizon's app includes automated diagnostics for roaming issues.